Hey there friends, welcome to another unboxing video. I'm checking out this laptop stand. This is features all metal stand. So super convenient for your laptop holding capability. So this is just pretty much just unfolds here. And then however you want it, this rotates 360 degrees. Nice little clicking sound there, so you can tell. Not going to rotate by itself, takes a little bit of pressure. This is quite stiff. It takes a little bit of elbow grease to bend this, but that's kind of nice. So you know your laptop's not just going to be all flimsy and falling around. Let's go get a laptop and we'll show you guys how well this is holding on there. Okay, one thing I did want to show real quick. This has nice rubber or silicone pads all over that. So even here, so you don't have to worry about that it's going to scratch up your laptop. And also on the bottom, nice pads, so it's not, I can move this whole table probably just by pushing on this, so it's really solid. So wherever I'm sitting, if I want this elevated a little bit, set my laptop on there just like that, and then I can bring it forward a little bit there. So you might have to adjust it depending on how it is, or I could turn the base this way if I wanted it that way. And then it's going to be able to hold it at that angle. So super solid, just how many different configurations that you want. And like I said, it holds a lot of weight here. So if I want to elevate it a little bit, it's holding my laptop like perfectly. Okay friends, well here we can see we have it nice and elevated there. You can just turn it around with a click of a hand. It's on there nice and solid. No worries about it collapsing on you. I think this probably holds about 30 pounds. It's actually really sturdy. So anyways, my friends, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope it's helpful. Have a great day, and I will see you all next time.